Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I reinstalled a used lace frontal wig. I brought this wig back to life, so stay tuned and let's get started. So I actually took a wig cap and put it on my head. I took some Got To Be glue that I actually have in the yellow bottle, and I'm just going to take a few of it and just apply it to my edges. This is what I usually put down before I actually glue my wig down. It saves all of your edges. Like, this is the go-to move to save any of your edges. So again, I just go in, I apply the Got To Be gel. I just take my edge brush, and what I'm doing now is I'm just brushing my edges back to my cap. That's all that I'm doing right now. I'm going to do it again on the other side. As you can see, it'll just lay them little babies down. So now I'm going to just go in with my blow dryer and just dry down the Got To Be glue gel until it gets hard. I usually keep my blow dryer on low, and it works perfectly. I mean, I'm not a fan of burning your scalp. So once everything is dry, this is how it should look. Basically, it's just hard. So next thing, what I'm gonna do is actually take my wig cap and just put it over my head and on my forehead. I usually take it over my ears because once everything hardens, we actually just gonna cut out our earlobe. So right now, all we're doing is just getting the cap together so we can get the process of gluing. Here I'm going to use the Got To Be glue freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray my hair and just kind of brush it on in and let it saturate in to basically melt my cap down to my forehead. So I'm still just going in, spraying it behind the ear, smearing it in just a little bit. I'm going to do each side back and forth. As you can see, me just going in, smearing it. So what I'm going to do now is just fast forward this step a little faster. So now what I'm going to do is go in with my blow dryer and just blow dry side to side until it actually dries up all of the Got To Be glue spray. I probably would go in and just spray like halfway through. Just spray a little more until basically it all dries.